Alright, so people, you don't know, this is the very first vlog outside we are Charleston right now. As I say, Charleston, South Carolina. You know what I mean? So my sister them decided to them I carry me go show me some little places and stuff be that them get, you know, look at time can do that and things. So you know the Uber right now, you know, I like the local forestry side, it give you like a Mandeville type of vibe. Mandeville St. Elizabeth type of vibe, you know what I mean? But you don't know everything they're on a bigger scale. So a little drive through of the place. You know, this is the area that we're in. It's called Orange Grove. You know what I mean? As I can see, the land space is big. You know, the land space is big, and it's more like a retired family type of place. You know what I mean? Everybody seem nice so far, and those are them thing. So there's going to look a small tour of what I go on. So you want to enjoy, no? For a vlog, you know.
I like the Jamaican accent.
Yes, man. A mad thing, man. May I tell you? Jamaican accent is very universal, you know? It's a part of Jack creation.
It's 61 now. It's going to be up to about almost 70 today.
Yeah, I'd rather that.
You like that better?
Yeah. Oh, man.
One guy told me that all the women like his accent.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wagwan, there you go.
Wagwan. You know?
Then they're going to say something back to me and I won't know what they're saying.
Alright, so if you say...
So you have any kids?
Yeah, I got one daughter.
That's not
I think she's 12. I think I'm going to stay there for a while. You know? Very expensive, bro.
I have 10 grandchildren.
Oh my god.
You can go to Top Golf.
Where's that?
You'll see it. C-17?
Yep.
That's the planes that evacuated Afghanistan.
Oh man, that's a C-17? Where is it?
C-17.
Where is this going?
It's just, they have 40 of them here. They're just on maneuvers.
I heard the jets pass by sometimes.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
so as I can hear the driver telling about the C-17 that pass seat there right there. So it's a regular thing for them because there's a military air base right over where it's going to land. So you will hear the jets them pass every now and then. Yeah, so right now as I can see we reach at the first outlet, the mall outlet. This one I don't quite remember what name, but I'm going to give you anybody who come here before me know this one. Yeah, and added to that still I'm just walk around and get familiar with the place and get familiar with the climate because my nose there burn me really hard. Because my skin there get dry. So yeah, when I see 17 there pass again, them plane they're so huge. It's amazing. But enjoy the look at the place still. Is what I say? Yeah. So this machine, you can get your phone and sell your phone right now. Evaluate your price. Turn on your device so you can get the best price. Accept me offer or verify you. Yo. Yeah. Alright, so here how the machine work now. You can sell your phone or your gadget and get instant cash from the machine. Right, so yes, evaluate the phone, foldable, tablet or MP3 player. It will give you 4 options with what it take. Apple, Samsung or Android phone. This is the carrier where the phone have, and it gives you 4 options of what happened to the phone and what type of damage it will take. You see me I say? So it asks if the screen works as new, if it have flaws or cracks or something. If it's like new, if it have cracked chip, whatever. Remove the case. It will give you a code, like one of them scan code there. You take it out, put it on the back of the phone. Then the next move will be plugging in your phone. What it's going to do right so now, it is going to do a diagnostic check with the phone to see if all internals are okay. If all internals are okay and then all the options you have chosen on the screen, you will then get a price that the machine will offer you for the phone. You can take it or you can upgrade it if you want to. And then now after that you will debate the price or you can negotiate the price of the machine. Something like them I should there Jamaica still, but you don't know. You see me, I say I'm not nothing bad about Jamaica because anything can happen anyway. Wait there, so them can got this Chinese restaurant, Zine, and it says $11 for lunch, dinner, or supper. Zine, look on the option that you get now. I don't know what that, but that look like mussels right there. So oysters, corn, one bread with cheese in it, and one sitting there, so, and some something over there. So see me, I say I don't know. Yeah, over there, so now the worm with the roach them. You see me, I say the tree them and all them type of something. The cockroach foot, bird beak, everything. See me, I say. Over that side, I know. I have a little bit of what that now. That look like dog meat. You see me, I say that look like the caterpillar right there. So, Zine, spring chicken. You know that go. Mountain lion, the body there. So, seeing that look like pizza zebra right there. So, elephant foot. See me, I say that look like hyena right there. So, crocodile tail. You know, I'm not ramp with my plate. So, my plate look. I take a bit of everything. Frog foot, the mussels right there, so sausage. I don't know what that. Frog foot, chicken, fries, with a oxtail. See me? Over there, so a piece of zebra. So like I said, now, giraffe. You see me? Crocodile. Everything I plate. I want to enjoy myself. My sister didn't bring me out, so yeah. So it's still a shop for clothes and everything there. Then a huge mall. But to the place cold to burn my nose be. You see me? I survive still, man. You see me? I try to get some clothes for winter. We're going in a different state because I must say different type of state of different type of temperature and thing. I don't know, my first time, so I know that go. So after get them back of clothes, reach back home, get some food, put on them new clothes. Rehearsal time, you see me? Yeah, fully out.